Dang Boy Lolo here. Today we're playing some Roblox again. And so I'm just gonna be playing around with stuff. Well, I do have a second account, but yeah, I'll just play on this one for now. It'll take a while to load. If it doesn't work, then let's play a different game. But still. Ah, it's working. If mine is different to any of yours, the only thing is like it's some kind of weird glitch. I got it from a different thing, but still. Checking for updates. Okay, you can hurry up a bit if you wanted. Please hurry up. Ah, here we go. So, yeah. Please hurry up. Please hurry up. Please, 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 please hurry up. Oh god, I forgot about this. Oh no. Oh, I don't think this is meant to be right. Yeah, disturbing. Agreed. See all my friends. Dum dee dee dum 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 dee dee dum dum. Ah, here we go. So this is my second account. Oh god. Okay. I'm sorry I made it so disturbing. I don't know why. Oh my god. This is just awful. Oh man. You monster. I don't know what I earned that from, honestly. The chill elevator. My favorite. Let me just play some other game. Well, let me just play a game now. So, let's play. What's a good game? Bloxburg's good, I guess. I'll play this. Oh, sorry about that. Pardon me. Oh, a golf cart. A golf cart. That's gonna be amazing. That's literally gonna be amazing. A golf cart, boy. Just need to wait for this to load now. Dum diddy dum 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 diddy dum dum. Ah, welcome to Bloxburg. Just need to wait for this to load. Hold on. Ah, waiting for game. Hello, Nada? I don't get that name, honestly. Sorry, it's a bit laggy. So I'm basically just gonna be like cycling around the place, seeing if anything's wrong or yeah. Visiting the island of... Oh, sorry, never mind. Please hurry up, I've been waiting here for literally a minute. Anyway, waiting for waiting for game. Hold on, I'll be back in a second. I just need to get a cup of tea. Hold on. We'll be back in a second. I'm back. Sorry about that. Is it still waiting for a game? Jeez. Oh, wow. So, dum dee dee dum 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 dee dee dum dum. I'm Peppa. I'm John Doe. And I'm Peppa Pig. Sorry, I just had to put that in. Trust me, I love watching YTP Peppa Pig memes. They are just so funny. I love them. Peppa Pig memes are the best. Why is this taking literally forever? This has literally been 6 minutes of me waiting for a game. Literally, it's been 6 minutes. Dum dee dee dum dum. So I just like saying that for no reason. Dum dee dee dum 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 dee dee dum dum. Please hurry up. Oh, I'm getting a brain ache. There's me, beautiful Tando. I should really say beautiful because I'm kind of ugly in the game. No offense. Or what? Why did I just say no offense? Anyway, just waiting for this to load. Hurry up! I think I might have to play a different game. This is literally taking forever. No, how about I just play Unturned? This is taking years. Literally. Where is it? Unturned. Ah! Beautiful Unturned. Sorry, this computer is literally really slow. I honestly don't know why, it's just really slow. Yes, we know Steam. This is literally like the other video. Me loading into a game. Literally. Okay, I promised you. Here we go. In a couple days I will make a better video. But, yeah. Be sure to like and be sure to likey and subscribe. And yeah, hope me good luck. Oh, it is working now. Finally. Unturned. Well, I promised you guys I will make a better video soon. But for now, adios amigos. Be sure to likey and subscribe.